Can you imagine opening your front door and finding all of the things that you would need to build your own heirloom quality customized table? You've gone to the trouble of selecting your specific legs, you've taken the measurements, you've sent those in, you have the tabletop that you selected, you have the edge profile that you selected on your apron. That's something that we believe our customers are after. Osborne has already launched an incredibly successful and popular program whereby customers are able to order specifically the table skirt and the table legs that they would like with their product. Of course, we also are already offering some custom tabletops. However, we are looking to move to a situation whereby customers will come to our website and experience something that is more akin to a mass customization process instead of that standard customized ordering process. We envision a fully integrated website that allows customers to make all of the selections that are necessary. We expect to have the programming already in place whereby a customer would, at the point of order, be able to understand both the cost of the product that they are looking for and the established lead time. A fully customizable table built to your specific specifications is something that we know you, our customer, would be interested in as you continue to build something beautiful.